Hi, welcome to Richard Kabili YouTube channel, and for today's tutorial, I will be teaching you on how to enable and disable pan left and basic gestures voice control on iPhone X. But first, kindly subscribe to this channel and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you for the new updates. And let's start. Using your iPhone X from your home screen, first go to Settings. Then in the Settings, scroll down and find the Accessibility and then Top. Then in the accessibility, scroll down again and go to physical and motor section and then tap the voice control. Then in this part in the voice control, go to this section and then tap the customize commands. Then after that in the customize commands, find and tap the basic gestures. And then in the basic gestures, scroll down again and then find and tap the pan left. Then in the pan left, as you can see that it is already enabled. But you have to activate also the switch button under the confirmation required to fully enable the pan left in your basic gestures until it becomes green. And if you want to disable or turn off, just tap again the switch button just like this. And that's it, we have successfully enabled and disabled pan left in your basic gestures voice control on iPhone X. If you have a question, kindly comment down below and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you for the new updates. And thank you for watching!